Hey guys, Dave from DE Services, Dave's Wholesale Cabinets here. Today I'm going to show you why sometimes you have slow pressure at your refrigerator during water fill up. So you can see this 1/4 inch line, we just ran this and I cut it and the opening is very small. So 9 out of 10 times what I've found is when somebody has slow water, it's because of this. This inlet here is very small, and what we have to do is actually ream it out to make it bigger. So what we're going to do is on your cutter, there's a thing that flips up here, and that will ream it out. So we just take your pipe, put this inside the pipe, and you have to push and ream that out. Just make sure you get any debris off of here so it doesn't get it caught into the water line. And you can see that that's much wider. Thanks for watching.